Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a menu in WordPress. For every website, menu is important for navigate the website pages. WordPress also has the menu function. By using this, you can easy to create the menu for your new pages. Let's learn how you can create a menu in WordPress website. In my WordPress website, I have 3 pages. So I have created the 3 menus: home, about, contact. If I click on the about, it will be moved for the about page. If I click on the contact, it will be moved for the contact page. So here I would like to create a new page as a products page. So I have to go to WordPress administration. First we have to create the page. So click on the all page. Here we have to click on the new page. The new page name is products. So I have to publish this page. It will be automatically added in your WordPress website. If not added here, you have to go to your administration. Then you have to click on the appearance. Then click on the menus. Here you can see the menu structures: the home, about, contact and products. Under the pages section, all of the pages will be listed here. You can just select and click on the add menu. It will be added here. You can also ordering this page. Just drag it. This will be moved, but it will be shows for the sub page of about page. So you have to remove the sub page. So you have to click on the out from under about. That's it. So now you have to click on the save menu and you can go to check your WordPress site. Now shows the products after the about page. If you would like to add any custom menu, that means you have to add the menu for the external website. Then you have to click on the custom links. Here you have to add the URL. Then you have to add the link text. That means menu name. Then we have to click on the add menu. That's it. Now it has been added menu as here. You have to make the order. So that's it. Now we have to click on the save menu. Now you have to go to your website and refresh the page. The custom menu has been added in your website. So if you click on that, it will be moved for the custom website. So in this way, you can create the menu in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.